Someone who does product reviews for a living, I have opened literally probably 5,000 packages, and most of them have been with this. And then one time I got crazy and ordered the little cloud one, and it's so cute, but garbage didn't work. Okay, so I saw this, and this is my all-time absolute favorite box cutter. Let me show you why. This is the OKNIFE by Otical, and I actually bought their replacement blades too. And guys, everything will be linked down below. So it has 3 locking positions. This is where the knife is. The retractable blade is fully retracted. That's up 1. Maybe if you're cutting something right where you can't, like it's not specifically deep, then that's 2. The whole blade is about 3.3 inches this way, about 1.3 inches this way, and about 1/4 of an inch thick. Let me show you how this thing cuts on several things. And guys, my hands are shaking because I haven't eaten lunch yet, so let's start with something like a box. Did y'all see that? Like butter. Okay, we'll take a plastic bag. It's a very old pair of one of my son's boxers. I wanted to see how it did on cloth. Look. Guys, this, and then of course we'll just do paper just for fun. All right, so this is not a joke. It is stainless steel and carbon fiber body, and it is a 5-in-1 tool. Bottle opener right there. This is like a little mini pry bar and also can act as a flathead screwdriver. And this is a hex wrench, though I would never personally use it for that, but I'm gonna show you something else in a second about that. The only thing that I wish that it absolutely had was, I wish there was like a clip back here for your belt, but I'm gonna show you something else. And then I love this, that it has this feature back here where if you turn this, it locks. So this blade can't be pushed up. Now, let me say it without saying it. If you're the kind of person who happens to be female and you, let's say, walk to your car in the evening, let's say that maybe having something like this would not be a bad idea. Okay, we'll leave it there. This is gonna be one of those things that I give out as gifts, first off as like a little stocking stuffer, but also if you have like one of those little office parties, this is gonna be the gift that people fight over because first off, look at it. I mean, sprinkles, the only thing I wish is that it had sprinkles on the other side because that would be really cute, but it doesn't. Oh, let me show you. Is just put it right here and then have it on my key ring. Oh, and by the way, it's like 2 ounces, the weight of it. But look, I mean, you could just have this on your keychain and then, I mean, obviously you could keep it locked, which I probably will. And then when you need it, you just rotate it, flick it forward. Anybody who has like an Amazon shopping addiction, become their best friend. Okay, let me take it off of here and show you how to switch out the blades because I was reading some stuff and people were like confused about what kind of blades. And again, guys, I linked all of this down below, but let me just go ahead and show you how to do it. So you're just gonna unscrew this. Ooh, come back here, my friend. Take this out, okay? You could just use that to move this blade forward. Now this is a brand new blade. Ooh, that thing feels like thick. That does not feel like a regular box cutter blade. But I did read a lot of reviews that said, people said, oh, you know, I can't use it with a regular box cutter blade. Okay, well for me, I don't really care. I'm just gonna buy 10 of these and keep them on hand because this thing is so damn cute. And then it's one of those 4-hole blades, okay? Again, an SK2 blade. And you're just gonna slip it in like that. And then line up this with this. It has like a little spring on the back. Push that, like, I'm just gonna push these 2 back together. Oh, okay, well that definitely also wins for easiest thing to change the blade on that I've ever used. If you've ever tried to change one of these, then you know what I'm talking about. Oh my God, that was so easy. Oh, I am so here for this. Let me put these away before we lose a finger. And of course, I love that it comes with a little carrying case. I think that's just, well, it's just good for me because otherwise I'll probably hurt myself. You guys know anybody who's headed back to school or anybody who has an online shopping addiction, like let's say one of the 100 million Amazon Prime users, right here. Great gift idea. I am obsessed with this thing. It's too cute. And not just is it cute, but this is quality. I can imagine that I will not have to replace this except for the blades. Go choose from one of the 4 colors that they have. Everything is of course linked down below in the description and in the first pinned comment. Stay starry out there, babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all like warm cookies. Bye.